Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and last night for Man Kitchen Recipes, I made these chicken jalapeno poppers. It's chicken breast stuffed with jalapeno popper cheese, wrapped in bacon, smoked in the pellet grill, and they are fantastic. I've got leftovers. I have some rice, but so what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to make some chicken jalapeno popper empanadas, okay? And I'm gonna make empanadas the way they make them in Mexico. The way I'm used to having them, I make them with corn, make the raw corn tortilla dough or masa, and not the pastry type of empanadas. So that's how they make it in Mexico. That's how I've always had it, is with the corn kind of like folded inside of a raw corn tortilla and then fried. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get the masa made and we'll get these cooking. All right, for corn tortillas, I'm going to use 2 cups of MaSeCa. Now sometimes you can add flour to this. I don't think I'm going to for these. Maybe, I don't know, what do you think? Maybe I should add just about a 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of flour. Don't always do that, but that's what this one recipe called for. So I'm going to mix that up. I'm also going to put about a teaspoon of, maybe half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. I'm going to start adding the water, roughly 1.5 cups total. Get a good amount to start with. Okay, it's still cracking a little bit, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. You just add a little bit at a time as you get going. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to add just a tiny, like half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to cover it with a damp towel, just for good measure, because I added that extra 1/4 cup of flour. All right, I think that's going to work. Okay, just going to put a damp towel over it, paper towel. I'm going to let this rest 10 to 15 minutes. And while that is resting, we will cut up our chicken. Get some rice on there. Just got it out of the refrigerator. Okay, that's 2 of them. I think I'm just going to chop those 2 up, and if I need more for the filling, then I'll just chop more up. All right, as soon as that dough has hydrated and rested enough, we'll get to making the empanadas. All right, it's been just about 15 minutes, and I've rolled out 12 little tortilla balls. So let's see if we can do this. I've got a piece of a gallon bag using my press-a-pan. Push that down just a little bit. Cover it. Okay. Don't want to make them super thin. I don't want to make them big enough. Okay, I think that's going to work. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and fill it. Doesn't take a whole lot, unfortunately. This is chicken, bacon, cream cheese, shredded Chihuahua cheese, and jalapeno peppers, which were very hot if you saw my video. Okay, I'm going to fold this over. Try to get that unstuck. Very nice. Then we're going to pinch this together down here on the end. Okay, and there we go. One Masa made empanada. It's more like they make in Mexico than the pastry kind. Okay, so I'm going to set these over here on my parchment paper and get all 12 done, so I'm not going to make you watch. All right, last one. I left the damp towel over them while I was making them, and then I have them over here with the damp towel on them while they're waiting for me to finish them. All right, there we go. 1 dozen right there. Got to get my oil up to between 350, 360, and we will fry these. All right, I think 353, 354. Okay, I'm going to turn my oil down just a little bit and get these going at a time. All right, you just want to make sure that the masa is cooked through. You don't necessarily need them crunchy like a taco. Right, these smell pretty amazing. And they are. A dozen chicken jalapeno popper, bacon wrapped chicken jalapeno popper empanadas. Using masa and not pastry dough. Let's get one of these on the plate. Let's check them out. Look at that. That looks like it's going to be one delicious empanada. Okay, let's get another one on here and we'll do a taste test. Got our Spanish rice there, our Mexican rice, and our empanadas. All right, what do you think about that? Very easy meal to make. The corn tortillas are easy to make. I use the press pan because I like the size of it. I have a regular corn tortilla press, but I just kind of like using the press pan. You press it down, give it a little tap, and turn it 180, tap it, ready to go. There's my empanadas with some Mexican rice. Let me show you the inside. Look at that. That is with the leftover bacon wrapped chicken jalapeno poppers that I made over at my other channel, Man Kitchen Recipes, and over here we made empanadas out of them. All right, so let's just take a taste. Those tortillas are cooked all the way through. The jalapenos haven't hit me like they did over on My Kitchen Recipes. But the jalapenos in here are pretty warm. So good. All right, well, you can stuff empanadas with just about anything. A lot of times it's just hamburger and cheese. Sometimes they make desserts with them. A lot of times they use pastry dough. I like using masa dough. I can't even really tell about that 1/4 cup of flour, but if you are gluten-free, don't add the flour. All right, thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you make these. They're incredibly delicious. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to see what we're doing next. That's what I like.